first captain.
Oh, well, hello, people of the internet. I am the first captain.
Oh, hurry up.
We'll press hurry then. Yeah, I am into it. Okay, I'll turn it down. It's a little better for me so I can turn on the mic gain and make it sound even better.
Hello. Does this
I
sound
don't
good?
know, to be honest, I just keep hearing things. Lily, we are directly above you.
Oh, they can hear us from below.
I don't think so. Did you hear that, Lily?
I just drop Armando on the floor.
Speak Armando up and put
Why would
Tista
you
bomb
pick me
so
up
that I'd
at
be the
heaviest?
best
Who's
friends
second
with.
heaviest here?
Exactly.
Alright, Jared's the alien.
What?
It has to be.
What?
Yeah.
Sorry, these are correct. The celebrity I'd probably be best friends with is Donald Glover and then Keanu Reeves.
Wait, what does it say?
What do you fucking
Keanu Reeves.
read?
Armando doesn't even know what it's up there.
Chunker?
Armando literally doesn't even know what it is.
Who the fuck is
He doesn't know who Keanu Reeves is?
He was just like, what is this song?
Are you stupid?
Oh, maybe Armando's the alien.
Oh, what's the button? When do we push the button?
No, you push the button, you guessing who's the alien.
Oh.
Yeah, you hold it and then it's like, oh, who do you think it is?
Hey, Armando, excuse me?
This is so...
Your luscious knees are in my way.
What are you doing to me?
I just straddle you.
What are you showing me how?
Guys, we should turn
I
off
don't
the
like this.
Oh,
turn
okay.
off the camera.
What?
I
Jared.
hate this.
Wait, who's drawing? Who else is drawing with me?
Coincidentally, you guys.
Hey, I'm not an artist, alright? So
That
please.
sucks.
Jared knows what I drew.
We'll see. Let's see about that. Herbie.
This is...
Okay, I see it. Look at us, 5 viewers? Ooh.
Bruh, I can't even...
Where you going?
I need to get my Chromebook so I can put a Twitch. The typical tomfoolery.
Cheat?
Yeah.
Are you...
Draw an endangered animal.
It's a dodo bird.
Friend.
It's a dodo bird. Because they're friendly?
And how come Matthew Jew something that's not endangered?
That's a dinosaur.
I had to break it to you, but they're not endangered, Matthew.
The crocodiles
They're
are
gone.
endangered.
Oh,
What?
crocodiles aren't
It's
endangered.
a-
Oh shit, an elephant's endangered.
Oh wait, I totally forgot it says endangered, not extinct.
Yeah, both of you guys got it wrong, actually.
I think we're just dumb.
I just thought about dinosaurs.
Matthew's is just more extinct.
Why the fuck are you guys clicking me then?
It's just for fun.
I'm really unaware.
How long has it been since the last stream? I don't know, I think it's been a whole month. Nah, it's been 3 weeks.
2 weeks. 3 weeks?
3 weeks. I started working. This is my 3rd week.
Cunt, I'm literally gonna fuck the... I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
If you kick me, I probably would fart.
Yeah, I would like that.
He's gonna release the
Let me kick you in the
burrito.
nuts. We'll see what happens.
Because you're disgusting.
Mm.
Hey, Matthew, get closer.
Hey,
to
what's
this.
that top
Hey, Matthew,
thing
scoot
doing?
over. You're not in the shot.
Sorry, but you don't know what fuck that turn.
Huh? Yes, I do.
Who brought their own toothpaste?
I did.
Thank you, Armando.
I think I did
I really
too.
appreciate it. But you don't bring, I don't know, anything else?
Yeah, I have like shampoo, conditioner, everything else.
Answer the question on your device.
How long is it? Yeah, it's been like 3 weeks.
Hmm.
It's really bad.
Oh,
Oh my god, I said to my internet support, you guys.
You and a stranger are stuck in the desert with enough water for one. What should you do?
What you should do is
You fucking idiot.
Let them have it.
No,
I
Jared
don't
likes
know.
his water.
No.
Jared
What?
drinks his
No.
water.
Please.
Jared.
Guys,
Jared drinks that
I
water.
will die honorably.
Jared,
for
I
my
literally
friends.
saw you. I saw you with a full cup at Denny's, and I looked away for like maybe 30 seconds. Gone.
Please, but we weren't in the desert. We were in Oregon. We were in the woods.
No,
I don't know, Jared's.
thirsty boy.
I think Jared's suspicious.
Yeah, he is.
But Armando's not a good person.
There was only
This is
one
very
alien.
uncomfortable.
when they
Armando
found
would
us.
rather just die. You want me to just pull the.
No, I'm
bed?
already up. I'm already up.
Okay.
Armando would keep it for
It's because it was
himself.
hitting my ass. It's just like really.
We all
Yeah,
know
I know.
Armando would keep it.
Look at the way your character's crossing his little legs. Like,
Look, all I know is
Shut
it's
up,
not me
son.
and it's not Matthew.
Shut up, you handsome young man.
So we just have to deduce
I
which
fight
one of
for
these
justice
two
and
idiots
peace.
it is.
I think I know which one it is.
I'm pretty sure it's Jared.
It's it.
Yeah.
He's laughing. I think you should send him.
I'm gonna look in the eyes. Look me in the eyes. Tell me you're not the alien. See, you couldn't.
Probably just
Get you
oh shit, it's me?
Dude, I'm so sad. We've lost so many viewers.
What years is it?
We used to be popping off at 11, huh, Edgy? Now we're down to 4.
Oh, man.
It's okay. We'll be back up there.
Double digit someday.
They'll be back. I'm about to be consistent again. Kill it now that I have my camera. Pow, pow,
I can't
Bow,
really draw to the.
pow, 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 pow.
Can they see that one? Oh, they can't see me one, huh?
No. You want them to not see you? Please scoot up.
Jared wants to stay.
Scoot it.
Someone's gonna see this one day.
Numa, hey.
Yes, Jared. Someone that who is still taking their time.
Damn.
Some of you idiots is still drawing.
What do you think? Which one was actually draws?
Draw a talent that you have.
Check this shit. What the fuck?
I stopped streaming. Oh.
4
Yeah, I know you're right.
Yeah, get the shit out of here. Look, that's poop man. That's poop man into definition.
Nice.
Jared, that's not it. That's a talent.
That's not
That's a
Mexican.
great
That.
drawing. Oh
Wait,
my god.
That's Armando who drew that.
Wow, you drew that?
Yes.
Holy shit, Armando. That's really well.
You know, Armando.
That's great anatomy study.
That is Armando.
That's like the worst.
Armando,
No,
we have
that's-
it for him.
He's got a clavicle, Armando.
Yes,
That's top
genuine
notch.
anatomy.
We'll be
What
back
do you
on
mean?
Incubators.
I messed up on his chest. I give him an extra line.
Holy fuck. Do you watch this that much Dragon Ball?
Everyone, press hurry. Press hurry.
You
Press
know
hurry.
that fucking much
He
muscle?
must be really tired.
Put it down, Matthew. It would be quiet hours.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just got excited. Nice. I just can't get over poop man. Listen to music.
Yeah, Jared. I don't, it's definitely you. I don't know how you're gonna cook your way out of this.
Armando's talent is pointing at forearms. Anything gotten the suspicious one?
All right, boys. I'm gonna talk to you guys. Bootman and Milkman, because I know you guys are the homies. We're gonna test Jared.
So how does this one work? never said.
I will explain to you. I see things on my screen, and I will explain to you what they are. Okay. So the first one's a U like this, and it looks like a dude in a suit, right? A dude in a suit with buttons, 2 buttons, and his arms are out like this.
I already got it.
Okay. You sure?
His arms are out?
His arms are out like this.
Okay.
T posing, right? And it's a U. He has a U for a head.
I got it.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is the crying man with the mustache.
I got him.
2 eyes,
Yes.
crying, and then the mustache. But the mustache goes out like this. Goes out like this
Oh shit.
Yes.
at the end. And the last one's like 3 lines like this, like a rainbow, like 3 lines, 3 rainbows with 2 dots right here, 2 dots on the top left. Anyone need any further?
What about the crying man? Can you say the
Describe
crying man again?
Crying man is dot, and then it tears, and then it leads into his mustache.
So the dots are not connected?
The dots are connected. Crying.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone got that?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
All right. You guys definitely didn't get that.
That is I don't like that. That the fuck? That's the crying man.
You got it wrong, Matthew.
I got it right.
The suit is the wrong one.
You
One.
idiot.
Second one. That's not a crying man. That's just a dude.
I don't like MILF man. I think he's stupid.
You,
I don't like
Matthew.
Wolfman either.
Everyone, hurry up. It's Jared.
Why is it? What do you mean? What have I done that was suspicious?
Jared, you hacked it.
No, what do you mean? How would I? Hey, please.
Got a single boy.
Guys, please. We know it's literally Armando.
Jared,
Guys,
you failed this at the first time.
guys, what do you mean?
your water, huh?
Please.
You liar.
I,
Hey, the Screaming Rooster. We're back.
please.
In
I'm
full
not going
effect.
down
Look,
without a fight.
I have a camera. I have a cam link. I had a camera. I just don't have the cam link. Jared, stop.
I'm gonna kill someone. No, why?
Bye.
The
Guys,
Screaming Rooster's the homie. You can't be showing off your
I
foot.
was an innocent person.
He doesn't.
No, yeah, that's
Yeah,
he's
What's
the water.
Jared?
What? You guys are racist?
Jared would go, oh, there's water. He'd look around and go.
All Jared does is
I forgot what the
drink, that's all he
question
does.
was.
How you been? How you been, Rooster?
Dude, like, you guys literally have the same answer.
It was like if you're stranded in the desert.
Let him
and
have
only
it.
had
No,
enough
that
water.
was the one before.
No, Jared only had one question.
Yeah, that
But
everybody
before
was
that-
dealing.
So
Oh, that
obvious.
makes no.
Hey,
Because there's
I-
another thing that you made me answer.
I
That
hacked you. I hacked you twice.
Yeah, you hacked me twice, and I noticed the first time. I was like, oh.
But you didn't say anything?
Well, obviously it was Jared.
No, but you still say something like, yeah, I've been hacked. So then we could be like, oh, Armando's probably lying.
You can't just say that.
You can.
That's BS.
Saying you're hacked?
Yeah.
No, it works both ways. You know, if you're the alien and you get a really dumb question, you go, Oh, I've been hacked. Yeah,
Is
yeah,
Poop Man gonna get an upload this?
yeah. No, look at Edgy.
Edgy.
You're fast, but not fast enough. Mostly because there's a huge delay because I'm using Streamlabs.
Oh, Poop Man's ginger like me.
Hey, Monty, you wanna hop in or what? Alright. Who's that?
Huh?
Not Jared. Armando, you put gum
Come
at
on. He likes to say gum. He likes Trident a lot. Yeah, I understand. He likes Trident.
the website?
Huh?
No, I'm using what? What are you talking about?
The streaming service.
Website.
I mean, that's it.
Jackbox. Oh, it's Jackbox.tv. That's what you're wondering.
Is it?
Jackbox.tv.
Players are busy.
Oh my goodness.
No.
2, 4, 6,
No.
8. I could technically have 12 viewers right now. I have 10.
How
If you-
many of them would
If you would be watching, and if you were watching, and you were watching,
We're playing though with you.
you can watch.
I'm gonna beat you.
Look, I'm watching. I'm watching myself. My alternative account.
Most of them.
One's is here. Yes, she is.
Hi.
Ow, 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 ouch, ah. You okay?
I'm pulling up my hair.
Very sprinkles. Alright, is that it? Is that everyone?
Yes.
I keep pulling up my hair.
I'm gonna look at Jared's.
Am I too loud?
glasses.
What are you out about? Are you bleeding again?
Awesome.
Bleeding again?
Yeah, he bleeds from his ears.
Ouch, it sucks. Is this just the concept of Alien 2?
So it went from 1 people to like 3 aliens. So.
Are you
How
serious?
many was there in here now?
How many people?
A lot. 2, 4, 6, 6, 7. 7 of us.
Come match.
Alright, everyone cover it.
Oh, the Furious Master.
You can't just keep putting comments.
Beat the shit out of you.
Oh no, I know I'm not getting monetized yet, but I at least like, you know,
Bitchy
wanna,
bottom.
of course not.
They should have put bitchy
Sunburn,
bottom
raw
on.
skin, I feel that swimming is not
Top
fun.
and bottom.
Swimming
Too much lag for my liking.
So I'd appreciate it if you could
Hey.
figure out who the aliens are, and then
I have good Irish.
I paid for that.
Too much leg for my liking? Well, there better be leg. If it's lag, I'm sort of gonna fight.
Oh.
Cause I don't know how I'd fix that. It's like this.
It's got dry skin right there.
You know,
There you go.
I have to fix it.
I got rid of the leg. Is that fine?
Oh, you have leg. I have leg. Matthew has leg. Too much leg for my liking.
She wants arms.
Well, if you want, I can do this.
My legs are.
I can-
I'm
I
fucking
can-
my legs. Hey, is it?
I can do this. Now it looks like a pants.
answer the question.
6 hours of swimming just to breathe chlorine and snort water for 3 hours.
Congelato. Congelato good.
Leg. Yes.
I got like a bit of.
Armando, introduce yourself.
What?
The man wants to know who is the cum master.
The master of cum.
Here, I
He's the bender.
that is a cum master.
No.
No, we're a full body suit. So once I bought some sick jean pants. That's not what they're called.
Chinos?
No, not chinos. What did I get? Denim jacket.
Oh.
A black denim jacket with some fur for the winter. Alright, I haven't really been paying attention.
Yeah, I know.
I know
way
way
too much about The Simpsons.
I know way too much about The Simpsons.
Uh,
I think this all makes sense.
Matthews makes sense. Yeah.
I forgot your.
Once it watches The
Nah,
Simpsons.
you don't
I
know.
don't know, barely fucking.
Hey, Monte, you the alien? You could just tell me.
The Garfield
I
full
never-
body fursuit.
Why would you watch The Simpsons?
Yeah, you know what?
I never heard talking about
You're
Bart
the alien,
Simpson.
Monte.
So I bought a denim jacket today because we went shopping with the boys.
I never heard.
We all
of
bought
shit.
them in Jack.
We all bought the denim jackets and we look fly.
It's a real
right?
match.
And I bought some green fur Crocs for home use because I'm using the pink ones to go around my day.
And we got matching chinos.
VC or no? What does that mean? What is VC? And we did buy matching chinos. I love chinos.
I know when I draw.
Oh, you want to draw?
Oh, you're the captain?
Jared, you have to tell me twice.
Send
Say it again, though. Say it again.
I want to drop up.
Send him in.
Send
Send him in.
me your
Wait, not
Stop
edgy.
putting Poop Man's heads.
Stop putting edgy in the
Oh, that was my bad. That was 100%.
Poor edgy.
Hey, Edgy, don't even draw. Don't even draw. You're excused. Don't even worry about it.
Fuck.
Oh, wait, I know. Not right now. I would have to fix the audio and make it come from the TV. It's a whole thing. I'm sorry. Don't even draw. Don't even worry about it. Don't even. Just leave it there. That's my bad. That one's on me. Slipped my mind. You know, got a lot on my mind. Doing my thing. No, don't draw. All right. What'd you draw? Did you write no?
If it seems like they're taking too long to go check this out.
Hey, Cynthia, wanna play? Do you and Lily wanna play? I'm out of drink. I will have to die.
Jesus fuck. I totally fucked that shit up.
Huh? What did I do?
I did too, Matthew. It's okay.
Why a skirt? Of all things to draw.
Jared, did you get that?
Have you heard
Who
of Father
cares?
Mr.
Did
Puzzle?
you have to draw a skirt? You sure?
Yeah, let's
Dude, my Discord is updating. Okay, I'll fix the audio next week and hear you guys and hear everything. Don't even worry about it.
Okay. That was my best I could do.
And the prompt for humans was
Prompt was
draw,
draw a skirt.
Okay.
Check this shit.
No.
Alright, Jared, what?
discuss.
It's a skirt.
That's a dress.
I was hacked.
I don't believe that.
Please. Please believe me.
I don't know. She tuned like he said he wasn't gonna draw, but he put no.
No.
Very good words.
His Chromebook is broken and
No,
he cuts
definitely,
glass.
definitely sketch. I think we should send him off.
Last time you
Oh,
forgot my
that's good.
Chromebook cracked, so I'm making the joke.
Pulling a what?
We're on the clock here.
Jared Alien? No, I agree, Monse. I
What?
agree. Yeah.
What?
Jared,
That's a skirt, guys.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
just,
Right.
I simply forgot.
in what universe is that?
Oh, that's a dress.
See, it's because I spend my days wearing chinos with
Nice
Alex.
pants. Let's say nice pants. Is he wearing like a something?
A bodysuit. Hey, dude, I like your jacket, dude. It's pretty sick.
Bro, why are your pants on your
But
shoulder?
people find me so for broken Chromebook trust.
What the
Yeah.
heck is the weight?
Dude, I love your camisa negra.
Tengo la camisa negro.
That sounds expensive.
Hey, Monte, so I've been like
Just
getting huge. I don't know if you can notice in the camera, but like, I'm getting straight
She has to pick people to send
in the gulag,
to the gulag.
in the gulaggers.
You're only just trying to convince him. Because you're the
And it just.
Dude, I'm so excited that I have camera. Now, Matthew, I don't have to edit as much.
If you do what?
That I have the camera link.
Oh, okay.
What you gonna choose?
Oh, it is. Oh my goodness.
Come master.
Fuck.
Fair.
Oh my god, Poop
Oh,
Man's
for
tired.
reals? Me?
Uh-oh.
Alright, whatever.
Poop Man's tired.
Writing
of the
test?
He's
write an
Answer.
answer to the prompt on your device.
Oh, this one's easy. Verified. Verified human being.
You know, I'm really hoping for comments.
Verified, Matthew.
I think
You'll verify me.
I think he might be cryptoid.
You and Monte will verify me on this one.
If it's Simpsons, I'm voting you off.
Why would I choose that of all things?
The human Brahms voice.
When I
Can you
do
binge watch anything?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Marriage.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Marriage.
Oh, my-
See, which
This motherfucker. I knew it.
which one of these doesn't make
What are you
sense?
talking about?
Look at him. He looks like an alien. He doesn't have
I'm brown.
He doesn't have a look of humanity in his eyes.
Any defense,
I'm-
Armando?
I'm-
Any defense?
Yeah, anything to say to that?
You know he doesn't believe in marriage?
Yeah, yeah, he's
I'm
talking
absolutely just gonna.
about
Sus.
What?
We're on the clock here, people, so
What do you mean it's kind of sus?
I keep pulling my
Let
shorts.
me hurts my skin.
Who is talking about sweet?
Edgy, you dying out there.
Edgy, dude, wear some sunblock.
You be
Don't
in
breathe in while you're underwater and you'll be just fine, I swear.
you be in the trenches. Hey Matthew, am I verified or what? Come on.
Look, it's obviously Armando
As long as Poop Man
Monse?
that's done.
Soul Eater is
Yeah.
and
banned.
Edgy.
I love Soul Eaters.
Well, you're wrong with two of those things because there's only two of us.
Marriage doesn't.
Oh, there is?
It's just two.
Oh, well, it's Armando and Monse.
if you make
You
it
think
easy,
it's-
It's definitely you. It's their marriage.
What
I love the
kind of
binge
answer was
watch
that?
marriages.
Literally,
They don't binge
literally-
watch and like think of your significant
That's
other?
such a stupid ass answer. I'm gonna send you to fucking outer space and kill you.
Just for that answer, we're gonna kill you anyway.
Jared, stop deflecting. Jared, you do be deflecting though.
Nah, that's Monty just trying to
He
deflect
was the
back.
alien last
No
time.
bias
I don't
here
know
because
about
no
that.
voice chat. Okay. Well, 3 of us can do voice.
Another
4 of us technically.
I know you don't.
However, one is muted.
Oh,
That's the thing we're still trying to figure out.
Who, Armando? Armando's muted? I don't know how to draw.
Watch, look at Monte's whack response she's about to come up with. She's about to draw a nice flowing dress for her skirt.
I can't draw. Look, I can't draw.
How do you remember it was nice and flowing?
Because it was hacked and it's a flowing dress.
There's too much space in between
Oh.
me and you.
Then why didn't you say anything earlier?
It was
Why
like
didn't you say I
really-
was hacked? It was.
I did.
You just said I was hacked. And then you tried to defend it. That was a skirt. I don't know. That's suspect as fuck. I'm gonna send you and Armando out different nights.
I don't binge watch
You can
marriage.
get married to outer space.
No.
My screen keeps cracking more and more. and I don't know from where.
I dropped my phone.
Is it? Oh, is it?
It's, mine's the, it's still the
It's a screen protector.
Is it tempered?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just put it on like the other day. It's kind of annoying.
Oh, I hate that.
Hey, who's drawing a masterpiece?
Why excuse me?
What about Picasso? Come man.
Come master.
Oh man.
Gum.
That's why it took him so long.
Gum
Get
master.
yourself in 5 years.
That's not what I
I
got.
want to be the CEO.
That's not what I got.
Jeff Bezos.
Bezos.
You know what?
Richest
Armando
man in the
Minapi.
world.
Monte, Princess. Definitely sketch. GB's, that's too vague. Also sketch.
No, I didn't get that. I didn't get that question.
Mhm.
I got draw a tired person. I still can't draw a tired person.
Alex is
There's
bluffing.
bags under people's eyes. Come on, everyone knows how to draw.
Alex is bluffing.
I really don't know how to fucking do
Alex is bluffing.
I don't know.
It's the Morans.
You guys aren't even judging me on my eyes, you fucking assholes.
That looks like you. Good job. We knew that was you.
Alright.
Next captain.
Edgy. You know you and I are cool, right? You and I were homies.
But I'm not.
Hey, put me in there. I want to prove my innocence.
Alex is not innocent.
I definitely am, dude. I literally proved myself with Soul Leader. Are you
Alex
kidding
is
me?
not
Are
innocent.
you literally kidding me?
You looked at
You
Matthew's
did prove
screen.
yourself. You did.
Is that your screen?
At Matthew's screen.
Why would I look at Matthew's screen?
Because you're cheating. Yeah, Monte, send her to the pit.
Yeah, put Jarab.
Huh, Jer?
Oh, thank God.
Put that.
Uh-oh.
Poop man doesn't like doing this. Poop man's tired.
Keep your eyes peeled for any
Keep your eyes peeled.
Oh,
for
100%.
responses.
Oh, man.
100%.
I gotta think about this.
Jared needs to think, did I ruin?
100%. This is easy.
Job
Let's see
done.
human
What's a human
Oh,
problem?
man.
I
Why is a cat instead of a dog?
Yeah, that's what I got.
I mean, kinda.
100%.
No?
100%.
Why?
Cats, dude, they be out, they plow, they come back home. Cats, they get held in cages and stay at home and never get to leave outside their
It's
house.
sus. I think it's sus. They strongly
Why would you disagree?
Out of all the thought.
If you get to choose between being a dog or a cat, which one do you think you're more similar to right now? I think I'm more of a dog.
Really?
You're,
Cat.
you want to
We're
stay
more
inside? On the
privileged to
way?
be
In the garage?
I just chillax. I just chillax in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cat shit.
No, they go outside and they go in the tree. Guys, please, I swear to God,
It's sus.
please believe me.
You're not.
For the love of God, please,
Man, stop touching me.
You're not putting me
We're
in
gonna
the
send you out there.
please.
Let's get married to space, bitch.
I misread the question.
Just about to be sent to the glue.
Please, I misread the
Oh
question.
yeah, Captain Time, let's go, poop man.
Poop man,
It might be
You have to
time
believe
for
me.
the come
I don't know.
I can
Poop man, throw me in there and I'll prove myself.
Which one? And where? The writing pod or the
What's the deliberation deck?
I haven't done it. Let's do
We
it.
got 6 hands.
We haven't done
I don't know. I think I'm going for it. I think we got it.
Oh
Wait,
I did.
let me prove myself.
We
Poop
can do
man.
it too.
Yeah. No, it's not you, it's me.
It's
Because I
not
pressed
me.
the button.
I swear it's not me.
100%. 100%. You kidding me?
Matthew, you know the
I
truth.
believe it's Cum Master with Jared.
Dude, he messed up the skirt. Are you kidding me?
I was hacked.
And they got strongly disagree?
I was
Strongly
mad.
disagree?
I like dogs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Jared.
Look, I'm just saying, Cody's cooler than my
Cody
cat.
is cool.
Your cat's blind. And
Exactly.
he's so sick.
Send him to marriage.
Hey,
Why?
Armando, I'm so
Why?
sorry, Armando. You didn't play along. You didn't bluff hard enough.
Man.
Armando didn't play hard.
I hate you, bastard.
I was the strongest one. I had to.
I knew you were an alien. I told you it was the Miranda. I don't trust them.
I regret not
They're all manipulative.
I knew Jared was on me, so I was like, I got to say
Then
that.
Matthew just believes him.
Hey, that was sick though for the script, Armando.
I hate you.
You single-handedly,
I hate you.
you single-handedly stunk him in.
I hate you.
Yeah, we won, right?
Yes, sir.
Why'd you defend the answer, Jared?
What?
You defended the answer.
Because I was like, you're not gonna believe me, so I might as well.
No, you can't.
Lieutenant.
Anyone else want to play? Cynthia? Lily?
I'm not gonna play this next one because
Oh, okay.
Chop the hashtag share your suspect.
I will murder you. Okay, fine.
Man has to keep playing.
Oh. How many viewers do you have?
Right now? 5. There's 5 there, but then it's 7 there. So
What is it?
I don't know. I also indeed love push the button.
Push the button.
Hey, Rooster, you still here? You wanna join in?
Who?
I never sent it to the. Oh, Cynthia's in. Alright, who is Mukau?
I'm not in yet. Hold on.
Mukaux? Hey.
That's Matthew.
No.
He's monk. Oh, he's
We're
poop.
gonna have so many people in here. Oh my goodness.
I'm Poop Man. It's me, I'm Poop Man.
Let me tell Lily to
All I do is
join.
poop.
All I do is poop, poop, poop.
And
And I take your money.
And I take your poop.
And
All
I
do is
and I take your
and I
poop.
just spit a little and I and
Dude,
I take
everyone
your
is gonna be in
colonoscopy.
here.
My
All
God.
I want to do is oh fuck, I can do it in time.
Is do what?
All I want to do is and then
I don't know what you're trying to get at.
he's taking
Yeah, believe my screen
that's
was
what
dude,
Poop Man
it's just like-
does.
I haven't dropped it.
You press hard enough for the.
Dude, I am
Is this it?
hot, man.
And should we wait for Armando?
No,
No.
Armando's taking.
We're gonna have the ultimate. It's gonna be filled.
Sorry, but this Papa's Tacos is gonna take long.
I also agree. Who is Moo? Who's Moo?
Moo.
Mukau.
Moo.
Mukuau.
Moo.
Muku W. Mukuwa. Any of them?
Me when we go.
Do it. Do it. You have to move.
I don't want to.
You have to move.
I moved out all the cows we passed by them.
You have.
You
To.
did
I like
lose.
my-
Well, Armando is physically not here, or mentally, or emotionally. Armando is draining himself in the toilet, in the tub. Hey, Matthew, you can read the chat.
I'm
there.
looking at myself. Yeah, I know. I'm looking at the chat. Looking at myself. Looking at the chat.
Hey, look at my crotch though.
There's a crush.
Hey, tell me they ain't 5 months. Look at these.
Oh my god, look like a little girl.
Look at
What's
these.
to see?
Are you Moo? Are you Moo Cow? Hey, look at these ones.
She's, I'm pretty sure she's Monty.
Wait, is she there? No, there's
Monty right
no.
above me.
Oh, Monty's right there.
I just kind of like looking at
Alright,
the chat.
so it's me, Matthew, Edgy, Monique, Adela, Cynthia Montejo.
Maybe it's Soapy.
Maybe it's Jared.
I don't think Soapy's online. Soapy, are you alive, Soapy? We missed you.
Yeah, what happened? So, were you alright? I think you sent a sad message in the Discord.
You did.
Are you okay?
You guys
Soapy?
are in the Discord?
Yeah, I sent you the thing.
No, you didn't.
Well, you haven't watched my streams. So.
Oh my god.
So you said you get your privileges when you watch the stream.
You didn't tell me.
This isn't democracy.
You didn't tell me.
This
You
is
said
a
I
tyranny.
started streaming and you just didn't even send like the link or anything.
This is a tyranny, and I get bullied by Edgy. This is how this works. I run with an iron fist, but then get smashed down by the rest of my fandom. It's really sad. Yeah, Armando, take your time, but like hurry up a little bit.
Started without him.
But it's
He
gonna
said
be-
he said it started without
But it's
him.
gonna be 10 people. It's gonna be so cool.
No, he said it started without him anyway.
Fine.
Man, man, gotta do poop things.
I'm gonna have to edit this part out. I'm gonna have to like shrink it because it's not gonna be too long.
I'm talking about poop man in third person.
Moo cow?
Talking about poop man.
You're an individual person. What, dude, I thought you were. I thought. Don't even worry about it. I was playing the wrong thing.
You're a real person?
I don't. Hey, you?
He's his
So
own
homie,
entity.
you're cool. I like you.
Moo cow?
He's his own entity.
I've never met a cow before.
I've never met a moo.
Alright, oh my god.
Epic.
3 aliens?
I gotta become poop man.
Epic. Why are you really here, Moo cow? What's your mission?
Cool.
Alright,
Poop
good enough.
man would say that.
Okay.
Honestly.